Fuck. Has everyone left? I'm the last one here again.
What up, y'all? Top of the Bush, Underground Celebrity Fit Club, TahKole Fintess, 21-day fat furnace. This is workout number 1. We're gonna be doing this throughout, but we're always gonna bring it back to this, okay? So, high intensity interval training, we're gonna be doing something called 50-10s today. You're gonna be doing 50 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, and then we're gonna get back into it. But first we gotta warm up. The warm up is about 5 minutes. We're gonna get right into it. Just follow along. You will get the gist of it. So the first thing we're gonna do is just jog it out. All right, jog it out. Breathe. Breathe. Jog it out. Next thing we're gonna do is a step out jack. You'll see what it is in a second. This is a step out jack. Step out. Step out. Step out. We're gonna pick it up. You know, I want you advanced people. I want to jump right into it. We're gonna pick it up. Step out. Step out. Step out jacks. We're gonna jump down and just punch it. Stay in the squat. Punch it. Make sure you stay in the squat. Make sure your knees are behind the toes. Okay? Up next, we're gonna just squat. Okay? Squat. Hands come up when you go down. Squat. Make sure your knees stay behind your toes. Squat. 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 We're gonna pick that up on the next round, alright? Up next, you got front kicks. Just kick it. We're gonna pick all this stuff up. We're just starting along. Alright. Next, you're gonna get down into that squat again, and you're gonna punch the bag like a boxer. Except they don't usually do it in the squat, they do it standing up. But you're gonna do it in the squat. Speed bag. Breathe. Breathe. Don't hit yourself in the face. Pick it up. Back to the run. Okay? You get up in there with some high knees. Get up in there with high knees. And I want you to run. Run. Up next, we're gonna, instead of the step out jacks, we're gonna do regular jumping jacks. Okay? If you need to go back to the step outs, do it. Stay in. Jumping jacks. Soft landings. Always soft landings. Up next, we're gonna go back into the punch. Combo. Alright, up next is hands high squats. Hands high, squat. Touch the floor. Now we're gonna go to switch kicks. Just low. See how we're progressing? Just getting the body warm. Next we're gonna go back into that speed bag, but we're gonna bounce a little. On the speed bag. Get a little more burn in those legs. Speed bag, come on. Speed means fast. This is not a speed bag. Come on, speed. Come on, speed. Come on, speed. Back to the run. Fast as you can this time. Come on. Go for it, come on. Breathe. Come on. Go for it. You want to run that fast. Let's go back to the jumping jacks. Come on, stay with me. Hands should be touching on the top and on the thighs. So if you need to clap, then do it. I'm gonna do it now, go it up, guys. Hands high squats. Come on. Pick up the pace. Pick it up. Good. You're almost there, y'all. Come on. If you can't touch the floor, just bring your hands here. Okay? Good. Up. Alright. Front kicks. Switch kicks. If you're advanced, you can get them all the way up here. Or you can just keep them down there. Or you can keep them here. It's all on you. You know you're gonna stop. Alright. After that, bounce the speed back. You're gonna pick it up. Come on, you can pick it up. Come on. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Breathe. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Roll the shoulders back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right on. Straight out. Put it across. Bring it in. Breathe. Grab your left arm. Breathe. 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 Take it back. Get up. 1, 2.
They know what is what, but they don't know what is what. They just strut. What the fuck? They know what is what, but they don't know what is what. They just strut.
Stretching the shoulder. Breathe.
What the fuck?
Good.
What the fuck?
Breathe.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Good. Take it
What
back.
the fuck? What the fuck?
Breathe.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Breathe.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Breathe.
What the fuck?
Good. Spread your feet. Just take it back and forth. You want to stretch the long part of your leg. Stretch it. Stretch it. Stretch. Move. Stretch. You got it. Hand down on the floor. Breathe. Make sure that back leg is straight, that heel is driving to the ground. Breathe. Good. Other side. Same deal. Breathe it out. You're gonna get a water break in a second, y'all. 20 seconds to drink water. Breathe. Breathe. Okay. Get some water. You got 20 seconds and we're gonna get started. First thing we're gonna do, high knees, 50 seconds. We're gonna start in 10 seconds. 10 seconds. High knees. You can march it out high knees. You can run high knees. You can arms out high knees. It's all up to you and what your fitness level is. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, go for it. Put your knees up. 50 seconds. 50 seconds. You can do this. Come on. Get them up. If you need to march it, go for it. Just get high intensity. If you're badass, put your knees out. Come on. I mean, your arms out. Your knees out. Put your knees up and your arms out. Come on. You got this. Come on. We're almost to 10 seconds. You need a 10-second break. 10-second break. Next is push-ups. You can modify or do regular. I'm gonna do regular push-ups. Keep your body straight, yourself into a plank, and let's go. If you need to modify, put your knees on the floor, keep your body straight, and push. Some people won't be able to go as deep. I'm good with this. Stay here. All right, get into the regular ones. We'll modify. Come on, y'all. But with this, don't go so deep. Remember, you're pushing from the middle of your chest. Middle of your chest. I know it's tough. Come on, stay in. Good job. 10 seconds in between that. All right. Up next, we got side step squats. You're gonna step to the side, and up, and then back to the other side. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Down, up, side step, side step, side step, side step. If you move, if you're bad, you can side step like that. Put a little plyometric edge. Step, That's all you need to do. And if you want to give it extra, then give it extra. This is your workout. You burn as much fat as you want to. It's all on you. And if you want to change it up, you can change it up. It's up to you. Just stay in it for the full 50 seconds. If you can't get super deep, if you got knee issues, I'm good with that. But you can. 10 seconds, rest, breathe. Up next, we got 8 combo punches and 8 jump ropes. We're running the combos from the wall. So it'll be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then jump rope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can do side to side jump rope. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now. 2 outside. 1, 2, come on. Breathe. You got 1 minute. Get some water. Towel off. You got a whole minute break. So guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna do that all over again 3 more times. Then we're gonna stretch and we'll be done. Alright? So, after this round, we will be officially halfway done. Alright? Not so bad, right? Yeah, not so bad. Oh, and if you need to, a couple seconds left, you can get a mat. Put under your knees. You can do the push-ups on your knees on the mat. So don't be afraid to get a mat if you need one. I'm gonna leave this back here. We got 10 seconds before we need to get started. Are you ready? Because I know I am. Ready? 3, 2, high knees, let's go. Come on, go for it. Come on, go for it. Get up, go for it. Come on. Go, come on, go, come on. Come on, 50 seconds, come on. I need your whole minute break. Come on, push back, come on. Get those knees, come on. Come on. You wanna add some extra? Come on. Throw some arms into it. It's up to you. It's up to you. The more you move your arms, the more you're gonna burn. The more calories, the more it's gonna come off. The more you're gonna get results. It's up to you. It's up to you. Work through that discomfort. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got this, y'all. Stay in it. Stay in it. 10-second break. All right, I'll show you the mat. We're in it. All right? The mat now. You want to do your push-ups with this. Ready? Let's go. Get it. 1 minute. 50 seconds. Excuse me. Come on. I know it's tough. And if you need to stop and hold the plank, you can stop and hold the plank. You can even hold it here. But I think you should hold it up here. Come on. Come on. Get it? Come on. Don't modify. Come on. It's okay. You can modify. Don't be afraid. Even the toughest people modify. Come on. I'm sure I'll be modifying by the end. That's it. That was it. 50 seconds. All right. Side step squats. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Side step. Side step. Side step. Side step. Come on. Side step. You got this. Step it out. Come on. Come on. 20 minutes long. Come on. Come on. Intervals, man. Or, remember, you don't have to go so deep. Or, high power, high power. 10 seconds. Up next, I'm gonna do side to side jump rope with my combos. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's see. Come on. Jump up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8. Switching it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Break. 1 minute. 1 minute. You got 1 minute to breathe, get some water, shake it out. Towel off. Where's my towel? Oh, look it over there. Looking in the wrong places, man. All right. I'm working. You're working. We're working. Got some towel fuzz on the face. Towel fuzz on the face. Okay, y'all. 2 more rounds. You're done for the day. Okay, so let's get it in. Stay focused. High knees are coming up. We got about 24 seconds before we gotta get started. You ready? You should be nice and sweaty. If you're not nice and sweaty, you're not working. I want you to work. All right, here we go. 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 50 seconds. Get those knees up. Get them up. Get them up. Come on. You got it. Get them up. Intensity. You need to be intense. Your intensity, not mine. If you're not going as fast as me and it's intense, that's okay. I want you to get as fast as you can go. Your intensity, not killing yourself, but go for it. Be in that discomfort zone. Come on. Get them up. Knees up. If you need to put your hands here for targets, you'll leave the targets. But get them up. Make sure they're up. But you're also working your belly. Don't lean back, lean forward, okay? Don't lean back, never lean forward. Keep that belly tight. Keep them up, keep them up. Keep going, keep going. Come on, you got it, see? Come on, you're almost there. You're almost there. Stay lean. Breathe, 10 seconds. Get your mat in if you need it. Put it down on the floor. It's time for push-ups. Here we go. Remember, straight body within 6 inches in front of your face. All right, here we go. Get it. Sometimes I need to stop, dude. Let's go. Hang in there, y'all. Hang in there. Woo. How many seconds we got left? Come on. Come on. That was 50 seconds. Get up. Time for the side step squats. Ready? You ready? Now you may be slowing down because you're tired, that's okay. Just keep it intense. As long as you keep going, you will get the benefit from this workout. Come on, I'm getting burnt out too. It's challenging for anybody. Advanced, beginner, intermediate, it's challenging. Stay in it. It's only a half hour of your day. okay? Changing your life. Make sure you stick to this. Stick to your eating plan. Relearn how to eat, how to find your hunger, how to associate yourself with the food you're looking for, the cravings you have, dumping off all that mental baggage in your workouts. Let's go. Almost there. Come on. 10 seconds. We're gonna do the combo punch and the jump over. Ready? Set. Down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hand side to side. Come on. Come on. Time. Get out. You got 1 minute. 1 minute to breathe. Get some water. Let's go. Towel off. Last round coming up. Last round. I want you to stay in. I want you to stick with me. This is gonna be the toughest one. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Woo! Let's go. Breathe it out. Last round coming up. Should have worn my contacts today. Yeah, y'all. Got some contacts recently. How about that? Top of the bush with contacts. This usually pulling glasses up, right? It's not like glasses. All right, we got 15 seconds. So we get started. 10 seconds, y'all. You ready? High knees. I want you to go for it. Maximum burn. 3, 2, 1. Get it. Come on. Go. Go. Come on. Go. Go for it. Come on. Come on. You're in the race. You've been running for 26 miles in the marathon. Some guy behind you, some stringy guy, some stringy lady trying to get past you. You gotta go for it. That means you gotta pull that last bit of energy. You gotta find it. You gotta find it deep inside, deep in here, deep in here, here. All of it. Go for it. Get those knees up. Get your arms involved. Come on. You gotta head to the finish line. Come on. We're headed to the finish line. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, y'all. Come on. Come on, you guys. Come on. Get it. Come on. Get it. Come on. Get it. Come on. You got this. Come on. Let's go. Come on. You got it. Stay in it. Come on, y'all. Stay in it. 50 seconds is almost up. It's almost up. Come on. Breathe. You're headed for the tape. Let's go. Down on the floor. You got 10 seconds. All right, here we go. Push up time. We're gonna start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Get it. Come on. Come on. Last time push-ups for the day. Come on. You got this, y'all. You got this, man. Work. 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 That's 50 seconds, last push-ups. Right. Up next. Side to side squats. Side step squats. Are you ready? 2, go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get it. Come on, y'all. Stay in it. Stay in it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Who's back? Put your videos up. Let me see if you jump. Come on. Come on. Look at this video. I'm good with this. I'm good with it, y'all. I'm good. Come on. Good. Fight. Push from the heels. Push from the heels. Push from the heels. Push. Push. Come on. Push. Breathe. 10 seconds. Counter punch. Jump rope. Last time. Are you ready? Let's get it. Get it up. Set. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You do straight jump rope. 1, stroke rope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Straight jump rope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7. What was that? 8. Come on. Side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Oh, wait. Guess what? We're doing a bonus. Get your mat out. Come on, get it out. We're doing a minute of plank. 1 minute of straight plank. Get on your mat. Put your knees down. Yeah, I know. I said it was over after 4 rounds. This is your bonus. Let's go. 1 minute of plank. Get up in it. I'll show you from the side. For those of you who don't know what plank is. This is plank. And breathe. When you're doing plank, you gotta engage everything. So sometimes if this is sagging, you gotta engage your booty. Tighten it up. If that's sagging, your knee is sagging, engage your thighs. If your head is sagging, get your neck up. Engage your chest and your shoulders. Everything happens in plank. Everything. Come on. Look at that. 1 more. Come on, we're more than halfway there. Stay in it. The floor is soaking wet. Sopping wet. Come on. Hang in there. You got this. I know some of you are groaning. How's this guy talking to this? I'm talking to it. Let's go. You can talk to it too. Just stay in it. Come on. Yeah, less than 10 seconds, I think. Come on. Hang in there. Not less than 10 seconds. You hit a beat when the 10 seconds is almost there. Almost there. Come on. Oh, I didn't even engage the timer. How about that? I think that was about a minute, y'all. Good job. Woo. 21-day fat furnace. Underground celebrity fix up TahKole Fintess. Let's cool down and stretch, y'all. Come on. Take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Good. And inhale. And exhale. Good. Roll the shoulders back 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Grab your head a little. Push your hand to the ground. And give your neck a little bit of a stretch. Good. And release. Other side. Grab the side of the head. Push the other arm down. And get a little stretch. Gentle. Be gentle. Don't be rough with this stretch. Good. Release. Spread your feet. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Give it a little plie. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Get into that running stretch. Stretch that pelvis out. Push your pelvis into the ground. Drive that heel to the floor. And you go to the other side. Good. Same deal. Pushing your pelvis into the ground. Back leg is straight. Driving the heel into the floor. The back hand on the knee. Good. Back in the center. Chest down. Chin up. Chin down. Back up. Round. Chin up. Chest down. Chin down, back up. Keep it round in both directions. Chin up, chest down, round. Chin down, back up. You're gonna roll up. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale and exhale. Good. Turn to the side a little bit. Chest to the knee. Reach towards that leg. Chest to the knee, and not head to the foot. Chest to the knee. You should feel this all in the back of your leg. Now this side. Same deal. Turn the foot out. Both feet flat. Chest to the knee. You can reach your hands to the foot. Just your aim is not your head to the foot, it's chest to the knee. Good. Back to the center. One more roll down. Roll up. Inhale up. Exhale. Alright. You grab that one leg. A little rickety here. booty in. Push your booty in. The pedal should feel like in front of your leg. Okay? From the bent leg. Elbows forward. Put your hand up, balance well. Round to the side. In the back. More stretch yourself. Breathe. Inhale it up. Exhale. My name is TahKole Fintess, Underground Celebrity Fit Club. 21-day fat furnace. We burning calories. Realigning how you eat. Don't gain this.